So guys, this is the new DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and yung kulay na nakikita nyo ngayon is normal mode ng DJI. Walang color grading, nothing, walang edit. This is the raw video of my Pocket 3. So ito yung audio ng internal mic niya, and so ito, nakapatay siya, hindi siya connected dito, and ngayon medyo mahangin na, mahangin siya ngayon. Kung makikita nyo, ayun o, mahangin, kaya so set up natin para yung difference. So bubuhayin ko yung active track feature ng DJI Osmo 3. Paano ba yan? Double tap ang screen. Active track enable. Anong ginagawa ng active track? Is sinusundan yung tinap mong object. So for example, yan. What's up guys? Yan. Yun. So bubuksan natin to. Open. So ito dapat ang naririnig nyo ngayon is yung external mic ng DJI, which is called DJI Mic 2. Yun. So mahangin ngayon. Lamig. Mahangin ngayon guys. Matay ba? Yan. Mahangin. And di ko alam kung rinig yung hangin eh. I assume na hindi kasi gawa ng fur. Yan. So sabit ulit natin. Yan. So active track enabled. Tapos yung mic 2 connected. Yan. So yan, normal mode na kulay. Tapos external mic, and this is how it looks like and sounds like. So yun po. Patay natin. Let's turn it off. Mali. So, disabled na. So, ito na yung internal mic ng DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And, patayin ko na yung active track. Yan. So, kahit mawala na ako, di na ako sinusundan. So, next test natin is yung stabilization. Stabilization ng DJI Osmo. Please comment down below which one do you like, yung internal mic or yung external mic ng DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Thank you for watching. See you guys.